Okay. Ari, where's the cupcakes? Where are your cupcakes? Where are your cupcakes? You want to put your shoe on? Oh, thank you. Oh, book.
Yeah. All right, where's your nose? She's probably saying, "You already asked me that. I told you, you stupid." All right, where's your nose? All right, I forgot. Where's your nose? Where's my nose?
Ari, where's your hand? We haven't asked you that today. Where's your hand?
Where's your ear? Where's your ear? Your ear, where is it?
Ari, where's your belly button? I know you'll never pass up a chance to show us that. Ari, face me. Ari, where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Yeah. Yeah, can you find it? Oh, she can't get to it. I forgot she has a little onesie on under that.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry, Ari. I'm sorry. Where's your cupcake? Yeah, where's your nose? That's right. Where's your mouth? Yeah. Where's your ears? Where's your ears? Oh. Do you just intentionally put your back to me? Okay, where's your ear? Where's your ears? Where's your hair? No. No. No, you can't have that. Okay.